Hi guys, welcome to POTOGE. In today's video, I would like to teach you about how to set up your new remote control. First, after unboxing your POTOGE Smart Remote, kindly take your USB dongle and set it aside your device. And then go to the remote, press on the OK and TV button together at the same time until you see the red LED start blinking. Once it starts blinking, plug in your USB dongle to the device that you want to connect. And the red LED should stop blinking. When it stops blinking, well done. You are good to go and enjoy your new remote. Thanks for watching the video. Cheers.